All right, here we go. This is section 3.2. We're graphing quadratics using vertex form. We just got done talking about standard form. Standard form, we had to use the formula negative b over 2a. If you had to guess, before I write it up here, if you had to guess, tell me what vertex form is going to tell you.
The vertex.
It's going to tell you the vertex. If the quadratic happens to be given to you in vertex form, automatically you're going to be able to look at it and tell me what?
The vertex.
Vertex. Does that make life easier? Yeah, you don't have to do negative b over 2a, right? Everything's worked out for you. So what is this magic form? Well, 2 squared. This is an example. 2 times x minus 1 squared plus 2. Who can raise their hand and tell me the vertex? Yes?
1, 2.
Perfect. Exactly right. How did he get that?
Oh,
You changed the negative 1 about.
Is that similar to something we've already done?
Yeah.
What did we do last week? What did, instead of parentheses, what did they have?
Absolute value.
Absolute value bars. And what do we do on the inside?
change it.
We did the opposite, right? And what do we do on the outside? We did the same, right? So today is exactly the same. Okay? We do the opposite of the stuff on the inside of the parentheses, and we do the same of the stuff on the outside of the parentheses. Isn't that nice? Isn't it nice that we already did absolute value?
Yes.
Okay, good. There are letters associated with this. I don't want you to get to math 3 and not know, but this is x minus h, and this is k out here. I don't want you to get to math 3 next year and say, I never saw h and k. I'm just not worried about you knowing the letters. Okay, what I'd rather you know is that it's the opposite on the inside and same on the outside. So if they give it to you in vertex form, half the battle's already done. You make your t-chart, and you say 1, 2. What are your other 2 points you want to pick?
0 and 2.
0 and 2, and you're home free. Once you got these, hold on. Once you got these other 2 points, you got your 3 points. You're ready to grab. Okay. What happens when you stick in 0? Do it now on your at your desk on your calculator. Stick in 0 and tell me what you get. Stick in positive 2 and tell me what you get. You have to plug it in. Use your calculator. Don't forget the squared.
4.
44.
Positive 4.
Yeah.
For both of them? Will they always be the same?
Yes.
They will if you set this up right. If you go 1 to the left and 1 to the right, they'll always be the same. So here we go. Positive 1, positive 2 is right here. 0, 4, 2, 3, 4 is right here. And positive 2. What did I do wrong here now? Is 4 the right answer?
That's
1.
I got
what I got.
I got 4.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah. 3, 4, 0, 4. Here we go. It would help if I would graph right. 2, 4 would be right here. So here's our parabola. Just like that. Okay? So let's summarize vertex form. First of all, they're going to give you the vertex. Right? You're going to easily be able to identify the vertex. In this case, it's positive 1, positive 2. You find the vertex. You're halfway there. You write your t-chart just like we did yesterday, just like we did Monday, just like we did Friday after the test. And you find 1 point below or to the left and 1 point to the right. And you're home free. Okay? All right, so now let's practice. Tell me the vertex. 2, 0. Everybody see that? All right, what's the vertex now?
2, 0.
2, 0. Does that number have anything to do with the vertex?
No.
No, it does not. What is the vertex now?
2, 0.
But now, where's the parabola opening up? All right. How about the vertex now?
2, negative 3.
2, negative 3. All right, let's try another. What's the vertex now?
0, 0.
Well, it was like 0, 0 question mark. Is it 0, 0? There's nothing on the inside, and there's nothing on the outside. So what is it?
0, 0.
0, 0. Okay, don't be confused
My
about that.
question was, you said the form, so it's going to be x minus h plus k?
Correct, I'm sorry, yes. Yes, and I'm not concerned with you knowing that. I mean, you can write it down and you don't, that's fine. Let's try this one.
Negative 1, 0.
Okay, how about this one?
0, negative 5.
Can I trip you up? Is there any way possible? How about, what is it now?
0, negative 5.
That number has nothing to do with the vertex. Okay? It's simple. If they give it to you in vertex form, then it's very simple. What is a clue that it's in vertex form? How are you going to know, hey, it's in vertex form, rather than standard form, which looks like this? Let me give you an example. How are you going to know standard form, right, from vertex form? How are you going to know the difference?
And
Parentheses. Well, this one didn't have parentheses.
that one has 2 X's in the equation.
Okay. Is this right here in standard form?
It can be.
Yeah, that's A is 1, B is 0, and C is negative 5. But I don't want to go through negative B over 2A when I can just say 0, negative 5. So a clue that it might be in vertex form is if it has one set of parentheses. Okay? None at all probably means that it's in standard form. However, I'm able to use vertex, right? Because it's nice and easy. One set of parentheses means it's probably in vertex form. Okay? Questions? Any questions? All right, we're going to stop here for lunch. You can pack up.